Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a partition on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This can be really helpful if you want to organize your files better or set up a separate space for specific types of data. Let's get started. First, go to your taskbar and click on the search icon. Type in Computer Management and select the app that shows up in the search results. Once you've opened Computer Management, look on the left side under Storage and click on Disk Management. You will now see all the disks connected to your computer. Find the drive you want to partition, which is usually the C drive, and right-click on it. From the options that appear, choose Shrink Volume. A window will pop up asking how much space you want to allocate to the new partition. Enter the size in megabytes. For example, if you want the partition to be 20 gigabytes, you would enter 20,000 MB. Once you've entered the size, click Shrink. Now, you'll see that some of the space on your drive has become unallocated. Right-click on this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. A wizard will open to guide you through the process. Click Next, and on the next screen, you can assign a drive letter to the new partition. Choose a letter that's not already in use and click Next again. You'll also have the option to format the new partition. You can name it whatever you want, for example, Media or Backup. After that, just click Next and then Finish. Your new partition is now created. If you've done everything correctly, you should see a pop-up asking how you want to use the new drive. That means it's all set up and ready for you to use. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.